Hey guys, let's see how to set up a Tapo solar powered camera. This is the Tapo C402, so it's super simple. You just need to grab your camera and start the setup with your cell phone, okay? So here I have the camera, a cell phone, and the Tapo app. You just need to come to your app store and download the Tapo app, create an account, log into the app, and you're good to go, right? And then you just need to check if the camera is ready to work. You see here, there's an LED that's flashing red and green, so the camera is ready for the setup. Just turn it on. Here there's a button to turn it on, right? You first charge your camera, of course. It comes with a cable, so USB-C to USB-A. You put the camera to charge here. There's a port to insert the cable, charge the camera for some time, and then you just turn it on. You press and hold here until the camera turns on, and the camera should be flashing like this, okay? If the camera is not flashing like this with red and green, the camera is not ready for the setup yet. Then in this case, you just press and hold the reset button here for a while until you hear a message, right? You just use a paper clip like this, press, hold, and reset the camera, right? As long as the camera is flashing like this, you just need to come here and start the setup, and later you just insert the SD card as well. So let me just start here with the Tapo app. So I just click here, and I can add a new device by pressing here this plus signal, add a device, and look for the camera. It's an outdoor camera, so I just tap on this one and come down until I find Tapo C402. That's the one. Here it's already red and green, so it's flashing. So I press here, wait for it to load, and now I need to join the network from the camera, okay? So right now you're not going to connect to your router. You're going to connect your cell phone to the Tapo camera. Then the cell phone can give the camera the information about the router and the password, right? That's the way it works. And later the camera connects to the router because the camera has the information, okay? So I just hit here, join, and look for the signal here on the cell phone, right? So I'm just come here, look for the signal. You see the Wi-Fi is connected to the camera. Just click here so you see that I have all the Wi-Fi's available, and I need to connect to this one. That's the Tapo camera. So just make sure you connect to this one, and then you can come back to your app, right? And then you see here that's asking to give the network name. That's my router Wi-Fi and the password that I'm using, okay? I'm just using a temp password here for testing. Then I hit next, confirm, and then I just follow the process here. So it's connecting to the network.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. You hear the information that's connected, and then you just give the camera a name. You see here the Alexa also found the camera. So I hit next, select a location, and then I just follow the next steps, which is select an icon for the camera. You can select any one here that you want. Hit next again. Now it's configuring the camera. Complete. I just hit next. I just skip this trial. You can just use the 30-day trial to record into the cloud. There we go. Now it's going to show some information about the storage. You need to have an SD card to record, okay? So basically here you can use up to 512 gigabytes. And here is the place where you can insert the card. So you can just open here and insert the card. I have a card here with 128 gigabytes. I'll leave the link here in the description, okay? So I just insert the card here, that way. Push it, and it's good to go, okay? So I can just close here.
The SD card is not formatted. Please format it according to the app guidelines.
See the information about to format the SD card, so I just need to continue here and format the SD card to start using it. So I just hit here, got it. Here's the information about firmware update. Hit next, and the image is working now, okay? So I'm good to go, working. And I just hit next. Keep following the instruction here, how to mount the camera. Just wait for a while, it's going to is going to release the button here, so you can press next. Again here, next. One more time. Just pay attention to the details here on the installation. Next. And I'm gonna charge the camera and mount it later. So I just hit here, exit, and I'm good to go. The camera is working. And now you can just come here and format the SD card. So just remember to come and look for storage and recordings. In here, see local recordings. You see storage unidentified because the SD card is not formatted yet. Okay, so you can just format the SD card here. Wait for it to finish. There we go, format successfully. And now it's going to record, right? So super simple. Now you have the SD card, just select local recording and the camera should work pretty fine, right? There we go, everything looks great here. And the camera already comes ready for detection. You see here, motion detection is on and person detection is also on. So the camera will record every time there is motion in front of it, right? You see here, Tapo motion detection. So you're good to go now. Your camera is working. Now it's just time for the installation, all right? So I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.